Hello and welcome to this week's Flexi Friday. Now, I'd just like to take you back to episode 23, where we had quite a few comments that were made, and there was a personal email to myself, James, and I thought this was somewhat interesting. So, Dave, this one is for you. So, James, the context of the email is the customer has built a machine. He has sent it to site, and what he's wanting to know is, how do you actually deal with legacy and compatibility?
Yep, so in the episode we did a great job covering exactly how you can get spare parts and our obligation to keeping spare parts available for 10 years, even when the product is discontinued. But something we didn't touch on was spare part compatibility. So to illustrate this point, I've actually bought two CPUs here. They're both the same CPU, so they're both the CP 1511 in this case, so the lower end of the 1500 that we do. And you can see they're different just by looking at them from the distance here. One is the new mechanical design, which can now go in harsher environments and temperature ranges. And then this is the original one that we brought out in 2012 with the launch. But although these physically look different, they are spare part compatible. So this is the current version. You could find this on a shelf at your local Siemens value-added reseller. This is the one we had back in 2012. And because it's spare part compatible, what that means is, without any engineering changes to application code or software or anything like that, if this was on a running machine and it failed or got damaged and you needed to replace it, then you could literally pop out the memory card from the SM1500, which contains all of your machine's application code, pop it straight into the memory card slot of the new controller, and it is up and running. Without any tools, software, all you're going to need is a screwdriver to pop it off the rail. That's literally it.
Fantastic. And the other interesting fact as well, if you go onto this CEOS app that we showed you in the earlier episode, it will actually tell you about how to do all this installation for you. So again, James, I think it's time we bid our audience a Flexi Friday weekend. You take care now. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.